Hey guys, so today we are going to re-irrigate the beds. While I was in the desert, I had a lot of time to think about what I was doing wrong, and then I was thinking about back when I was in the Navy and studying Bernoulli's principles and stuff like that for hydraulics and hydraulic repair. And I was thinking, man, I've got this thing going all wrong. So back to the hardware store, bought a bunch more crap, and about to reset it back up, and then we're about to fall plant again. We've already planted the front beds and all kinds of good stuff. Just check out the last video. I think I can stick it up there. Yeah, we'll try that if you want to see that. But yeah, stay tuned and see the improvements, the corrections that we've made. So let me walk you through what we did wrong. I believe is we went from bed to bed, hose to hose like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to split it up from hose to hose to hose, instead of trying to run it through a soaker hose to a hose to a sucker hose to a hose. So it's going to be 4 hoses that split off to 4 sucker hoses. And then on the other side, we're going to run another hose down here and along the fence like this way. If you are in Oklahoma and you need some sweet potato slips to keep over the winter, reach out to me. I have a whole lot. I'm going to stick a few in the aquarium to see if I can get them to grow. But yeah, shoot me an email. I'll get you some for free. These are an heirloom variety. I believe they are purple sweet potatoes. Alright, so we're gonna put some soaker hoses in these beds, and golly, there had to be a better, easier way to do this, guys. I hope y'all learn from my mistakes. I mean, these things cost me 16 bucks a piece. This cannot be the best way to do this. Sorry, I'm getting over a sickness. Alright. But yeah, there had to be a better way. I don't know what to plant in this bed. If you guys got any ideas or suggestions, let me know. Because it is ready to go. In the spring, it was our green bed. Kale, all kinds of good stuff. These are, I think, what's left of the zinnias. We also had some soybeans in here. I was gone the whole time, so they didn't even get harvested. They were kind of wasted, which is a shame. Bed's about to be open. The tomato bed's still looking pretty good. I think we'll keep it for a while. Also, the round beds. It's a really cool concept. It's a really neat idea. It's very I don't know. Whatever. People that like to build yurts and round homes and things, you know, it's kind of a cool idea. But it is not conducive for when you're trying to figure out how many feet something has to be, or whenever you're wrapping everything in polyurethane to protect it, you know, and you're trying to get the square footage, and you're cutting everything in circles and thinking in circles. So it's not the most fun. Alright, well guys, well stay tuned. Let me show you how we're going to do the rest of this. Okay guys, as far as I can tell, it's working. We got the splitter. The hose runs to the splitter. It splits off to the soaker hose and to another hose That hose runs to a splitter. That splits off to a soaker hose, and then to the other hose that runs off to a splitter, and so on and so on. It runs right on down here to the old squash bed, and it's dripping. And then that bed trickles down here into where the corn was. And this is going to be broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower throughout the winter. So maybe Brussels sprouts, because they like to grow nice and tall. So looks like this half is a success, the right half. About to do something pretty similar on the left half. What we did though was we, instead of coming over here, we had a splitter on this side of the gate, and we ran one into this sweet potato patch. But instead we're going to split. We're not going to split there, we're going to split at the house. So back off over here at the front of the house, there's another hose, and then that one's running. And we're going to split and run it and do the exact same thing. So instead of turning on one faucet and not working at all, we're going to turn on one and then turn it off and then turn on the other, and hopefully have a much better irrigation system this fall. Here is the left side working. Drip, 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 drip. There it goes. This is working way better all the way down. Yeah. Drip, drip, drip. So they're getting water. It's doing what it's supposed to do, which will make the fall garden really productive. Got the Bermuda grass coming up through the ground, through 2 feet of soil. It's a constant battle. Well guys, I'm gonna have to quit here. I've gotten too hot again. And this is the first day I felt better in a while, so I probably shouldn't have even been out here. But if you got any questions, any comments, doing it right, doing it wrong, let us know. You know, and liking and subscribing and all that fun stuff really helps us out, helps the channel out. We just reached 150 subs. I was pretty excited. I'm gonna make myself my own YouTube award. You know. All right. We'll see y'all later.